Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Helping World. Google Pay is a digital wallet platform and online payment system by Google to powering app and tap to pay purchases on mobile devices, enabling users to make payment with Android phone, tablets, and watches. Now I will show you how to use dual or two Google Pay account in one mobile phone. Keep watching. Here has one GPay app on my screen. Now I will enabling another GPay app on my phone. For this we have to go to our phone settings. Now I will go to my phone settings to enable another GPay app. Now I will tap on gear icon settings, tap on settings, and here I will scroll down to find out apps. I will tap on apps, then tap on dual apps. I will tap on dual apps, and here I will find out GPay app by scrolling down. Scroll down. Here we can see GPay app. I have to tap on toggle to enable another GPay app icon. We can see app icon is successfully created on my screen. Now I will check it on my screen. Now I will find out the created GPay app icon. Here we can see the another GPay app icon is successfully created. Now we can use this dual GPay apps on this phone. Besides, we can use another apps by following these steps. So viewers, in this way we can use or enable dual GPay apps on our Android phone. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends who want to know how to use dual GPay apps on their Android phone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.